Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share here about to help you how you actually started to go for certain thing that you can start to see if it's really wanted or not through the way when you actually would like to start to table or make a table in Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about follow this video. It's gonna be actually one of things. This is still to be really satisfied with making this kind of progress. Very important to deal with that. And what we're gonna actually see, it's already about to go with certain moments or certain important levels of progresses that it should be really next time to do whenever we wanted to do it. As you can see that it's possible about to know how you table. First you will need to have this kind of table creator, which is really the new label over here, and we can actually go click on that create table, which is really about a plugin. Click new and create a table over here. Start to remove all of these tables, which is okay. After you click on create or the tables that you want, Control A and remove the first table from the list of collecting them, because if you just delete now, you will remove all of them in this except this table that you have just created now. This is all about how you create a table on Figma. I hope you see this video helpful and thank you for watching.